गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में वर्तमान काल के बारे में देखेंगे। वर्तमान काल प्रेजेंट टेंस। वर्तमान काल में वाक्य बनाने के लिए कुछ विधि हैं। हम अब एक एक करके देखेंगे। Vartaman Kal means present tense. So we have some rules to frame sentence. So let's see one by one. What are the rules? When you write sentence in present tense, so you should add the rule with verb ta, te, ti. Ta is for male singular. Te is for male plural. Ti is for female singular and plural. You should add this with verb. Okay. Now we are going to see the rule one by one. And you should complete the sentence. When you frame a sentence, you should complete the verb with the help of subject. You should see the subject. Subject means doer. If I do, so the subject is मैं. The तुम also is a subject, the second person. So subject means the doer, the who is doing the action, he or she is called the subject. So when the subject is मैं, you should use ta, हूँ or ti, हूँ. Why should we use two forms? Ta हूँ for male, ti हूँ for female. My means I. When the subject मैं, if the person is male, so you should use ता हूँ. मैं घर जाता हूँ. Female, the subject is female. मैं घर जाती हूँ. Then तुम means ते हो और ती हो. तुम कहाँ जाते हो? If you ask question to male, so तुम कहाँ जाते हो? When you ask female, तुम कहाँ जाती हो? And the third rule, वह, यह, तू. These all are singular pronoun. So when the subject is singular, not only this, other than this, any singular, मैं, तुम, other than मैं and तुम, you should not use for मैं and तुम. Other than मैं and तुम, any other singular, Ram, Sita, Kumar, any singular will come as a subject. You should use ताहै or तीहै. Male means ताहै, female means तीहै. Okay. कुमार स्कूल जाता है. राधा स्कूल जाती है. So male means ताहै, female means तीहै. And when you use the subject as a plural subject, you should use तेहै or तीहै. आप कहाँ जाते हैं? Male. When you indicate the male, so कहाँ जाते हैं? Female means आप कहाँ जाती हैं? हम हिंदी पढ़ते हैं. हम हिंदी पढ़ती हैं. वे चेन्नई जाते हैं. वे means they. ये चेन्नई जाते हैं. Male sentence. वे चेन्नई जाती हैं. Female sentence. ये चेन्नई जाती हैं, फीमेल सेंटेंस. Okay. When the subject is male and female together, you should use in male plural only. You should not use male or female. Male plural only you should use. You should not use in female. So there are 4 rules. मैं means ता होती हूँ, तुम means ते होती हो. Singular person, when the subject is singular, ता है ती है. When the subject is plural, ते हैं ती हैं. You should use in sentence. So look at the example. मैं आता हूँ, male. मैं आती हूँ, female. तुम पढ़ते हो, male. तुम पढ़ती हो. वह लिखता है, male. वह लिखती है, female. रानी कलम लाती है, female. So ता है, ती है. आप नाचते हैं, you are dancing. So ते हैं. आप नाचती हैं, फीमेल. लड़के गेंद खेलते हैं, मेल. लड़कियां गेंद खेलती हैं, फीमेल. So like that, there are 4 simple rules. Please follow these rules, understand these rules. Now I am going to give you a small homework. Every rule, मैं means ता हूँ ती हूँ, तुम means ते होती हो, singular ता है ती है, and plural ते हैं ती हैं. These all rules you should do. Take your content book, select 2 sentence for each rule. मैं means ता हूँ ती हूँ, 2 sentence. Please find out the sentence from your content book. Write 2 sentences each rule and copy in classwork and understand the rule well. Watch the videos. If you have any doubt, ask me in live classes. Dhanyavad. Copy your answers. Select the sentences from your content book of each rule and copy in classwork. Dhanyavad.